Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open your page number 3. Today our topic is my family, family, my family. It is a part of unit number 1. Write day and date on the top of your page. Now read it with me. THI is this, IS is ANUM anum, AND and YASIRS Yasis, FAMILY family. This is Anam and Yasis family. What is family? Do you know? A family is a social group of people who stay together under the same roof in a society. Look at him. He is a Yasir. And who is she? She is a Anam. And they all are their family members. Mr. and Mrs. Ali, Yasir and Anam are in the same family. Look at here. He is Mr. Ali and she is Mrs. Ali. And they all are in the same family. THEY they, LIV live, TOGETHER together. They live together in the one house with their grandparents. Okay? They live in the same house with their grandparents. They are the grandparents of Yasir and Anam. Who are the people in the picture above? Look at here. MR Mr. and Mrs. Ali are the parents. PARENTS parents. Mr. and Mrs. Ali are the parents of Yasir and Anam. You also have a parents. Mr. Raza Ali is the father. Mrs. Zainab Ali is the mother. Mr. Raza. Look at here. His name is Mr. Raza and her name is Mrs. Zainab Ali. He is the father of Yasir and Anam. She is the mother of both of them. Yasir is the son, Anam is the daughter. Look at here. He is son of their parents and she is daughter of their parents. If you are a boy, you are a son of your parent, and if you are a girl, you are a daughter of your parents. Mr. Raza Ali is the father, Mrs. Zainab Ali is the mother. Okay? Yasir is the son, Anam is their daughter. Okay, now you understand it? Yasir and Anam are their children. They both are the children of Mr. Ali and Mrs. Ali. Okay? Mr. Akbar Malik and Mrs. Fatma Malik are the children of their grandparents. Mr. Akbar Malik and Mrs. Fatma Malik. They both are the grandparent of Yasir and Anam. They are Zainab's parents. Okay? Now tell me how many people are there in the Ali family? How many people are there in the Ali family? There are 6 people in the Ali family. Okay? Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. So tell me how many people are there in your family? Okay? Write it on your copy and it is your homework. Okay? Now, and your homework is also you underline the difficult words with me. Look at here. FEMILY family. Underline the word family. Underline the word grandparents, parents, father, mother, daughter, son, children. These are your new words. Okay, you also read it all this chapter. It is your homework. Now take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.